So if you could, here we go. For this one, I want to find d/t. That means the area, the derivative of the area. If this is the base in height, if I want the derivative of the area, basically you first have to find the equation for the area. Base times height divided by 2. Then I want to derive this, but you first probably want to simplify it. Makes life a little bit easier. So you simplify this. Now you have this. So we're basically going to derive this. The key again is to first find the area equation using the shape. On the test, this would be a word problem, not just a picture sitting here. So you have to read the word problem and configure and make a shape and figure that out. When we derive this, basically it's 1/2 I could pull out. When you derive these two pieces, you get this. And then preferably pull out your GCF, but it's a multiple choice test. Don't worry if you don't, depending on the answer given. Chase the answer on the multiple choice test. Now for number 6, if I want to derive this is a double chain. It's also kind of weird that f of x is at the back. Don't let that scare you, it's just for some reason at the back. F prime x means derive. So we derive this. Basically, you derive the outside, which is leave the -3. And what you do here is, I want to first rewrite it like this. Make it a 4th power. And what I do is take the 4, multiply by -3, gives -12. And then you leave the inside, drop the power by 1. Then from there, you derive the inside. So when I derive this right here, I get this, because the derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant cotangent. Leave the insides. Then you derive the insides, these two insides, derive these two insides. Once you derive these two insides, you get this. Then you have all this junk. You have to then bring all the pieces together that can be. For instance, -12 times 6 is this. And there's a negative there. Don't forget the negatives. And then the pi x squared goes with that. Why is there a 4th power here? Because you have on this, you have a cosecant here, and you have a cosecant cubed here. This is cosecant cubed. This is cosecant, so it's cosecant to the 4th. And your cotangent. Be very careful.